Hey friends, today we're going to draw an Easter bunny in a basket.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This lesson is super fun and it's pretty easy too. We're going to take it one step at a time.
Yeah, and we're using our markers.
Yeah, but you could use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils. You ready to start?
Let's do it.
Let's start with our Easter bunny's nose. We're going to draw a little oval in the middle of our paper and we can color it in.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw the mouth curving out to the side and the other side to match. Then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw them this size and a matching one on the right. What's the next thing we do to our eyes?
Add the highlight in the top left corner.
Okay. A smaller circle to make the eyes shiny.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white.
Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah, especially when we fast forward.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw our bunny. We are drawing the bunny. Let's draw the ears. Let's draw the top of the head first. I'm going to draw it about here. We'll draw a little curve in between the eyes, but above. Then we're going to draw the bunny ears sticking up and diagonal to the right and to the left. Then we can draw the side of the head coming down, curving right next to the eye on both sides. And then we can draw fluffy cheeks. And then let's draw the head curving under, but we're just gonna stop. We're not gonna go all the way and connect. Actually, I'm gonna change my mind. Let's keep it simple and we'll connect.
Okay. The bunny's forehead is massive.
I know, that's awesome. It makes him cute. Okay. Then let's draw the inside of our bunny ears. Can't forget that. And we're going to draw another upside down smaller letter U inside. And then down at the bottom, we can also connect it in. Yes. Okay, now let's draw our bunny's paws hanging over the basket. We're going to draw an upside down letter U touching the chin or the cheek on both sides for both paws.
Oh, I didn't touch it on that one.
Oh, that's okay. If you want, you could draw a little line to connect for the body behind the... Yeah, and then let's draw, right here, we're gonna draw the little fingers. I'm gonna draw 3 little small bumps. And same over here to connect the bottom. Now we're ready to draw the basket. We're gonna draw a line connecting the hands. Then we're gonna extend, imagine that going behind the hands and then coming out to the side. I'm gonna go out that far so that we have room to put stuff in the basket like Easter eggs and carrots.
Ooh, yum.
Let's make the basket edge thicker. I'm gonna draw 2 curves coming down and then we can connect them with the same kind of curve that matches the top one that we just did. Yeah. Okay, next let's draw the Easter grass that we put in the basket. We're going to draw a little zigzag line going across the top of the basket. Then let's draw the bottom of the basket, curving down, around, and back up. And we could add more decorations to it. Let's add a bow right here. Yeah, let's draw a bow. We'll draw a circle. And then we're gonna draw the side of the bow coming out, curving up and connecting to the top. Up, around, and to the top. Then we can draw an upside down letter V. Another diagonal line to match the letter V on each side. And then a small little letter V to connect those 2 lines together. There's our bow.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the ribbon that's going across and behind the bow. So kind of like we did for the top of the basket, you can match. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, now let's add more things to the inside. Let's draw an Easter egg. We'll draw it right here. We're going to curve up, around, and then into our bunny. And then I think if I imagine it going behind the bunny and then coming down over here. You might see the other side on the cheek. Yeah, just like that. And then let's draw a carrot coming out of this side. We'll just draw a short one, short little curve. And then the top of the carrot, let's draw a crazy bumpy line. And you don't have to match mine. You could just mix it up. Yeah, that looks awesome. Kind of looks like an explosion too.
It does.
Now let's draw another Easter egg peeking over the top of the carrot and curving down here too. Awesome. What's our basket missing?
The handle.
Yeah, the handle going over the top. Let's draw it. We're going to imagine, we'll draw the outside first. We'll imagine it coming out of the side, going behind the Easter egg if it's there. Maybe our art friend drawing is different, so you could just keep going if you need to. Then we're going to keep going up, and then we're going to curve into the bunny ears. Yes, and then let's do the same thing to match over here. We'll imagine it going behind the carrot, coming up, and then we're going to try to match so that it looks the same on both sides, or symmetrical. Oh, and your ear is a little bit different. That's okay. But we're going to imagine that going behind and then connecting over to the other side. Yes, that's awesome. Then we're going to draw that same curve right next to it for the rest of the handle. And we'll try to keep that same distance away from the outside part. And we did it. We finished drawing our Easter bunny in an Easter basket, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring, but you can also,
Color it any way you want.
yeah, let's speed things up.
Okay.
We did it. We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
And they look so much better all colored in. I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
And add a background.
Yeah, you could really finish your drawing by adding a background. What could they add?
Maybe some more eggs in the background.
Oh yeah, and some flowers.
Yeah.
You can also color your drawings completely different. You don't have to color it the same as us.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
Yeah, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. The most important thing is,
Have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. I'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.